Hi.
Hi.
This is my granddaughter Charley, and she's going to help me today. What are we going to do? Go open this box up and tell them about it? Okay. This March Loot Crate box is Versus. So let's open it. Help me. Oh, good job. Okay. Okay, now you get the stuff out one at a time. Oh, we got the book.
Again.
Yeah. Here's the book. Versus. Okay, you want to open something else out? Okay, we'll do that after. Okay, get one thing out. Both hands. It's big. Ooh, show it to the camera. Yeah. Okay, gotta show it this way. Alien. What's this say? Alien versus Predator. Yeah. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
What do you think one is in here? This one or that one? I don't know which one is. Yeah, it might be. Could get another thing out. Get some from the top. Oh, what's that?
Hat again.
Can you show it the camera over there, remember? Oh, is that the hat? Oh, a Daredevil. Daredevil. And then it's got two sides. Let's do this inside. There we go. That's pretty nice. What do you think about that hat? Like it? Okay. Oh, let's show the skull. I like that skull. Yeah, good job. Okay, you can get another out.
Okay.
And that's a card. Show it to the camera. Honey, sit this way. Yeah, show the camera. Yeah, Loot Crate official
Like
member.
me.
Yeah.
My name.
Okay, show the camera.
This is my name.
Yeah. Okay, we'll say what the card is here. I think.
And matches. Sorry.
Huh.
Like this one on it.
Yeah, that one's there. Okay, what is it? You gotta. No, you gotta show. Harley Quinn. Is it a comic book or is it a print? Oh, it's a comic from DC Comics. Harley Quinn. Exclusive. Loot Crate. This way. They can't see you when you turn around. Yeah. Okay. Good job. Is there something else in there? From Loot Crate. A t-shirt. What? So hold that up. Can you hold it up so they can see?
I'll hold that.
Okay, and I'll hold this side.
I'll hold that.
Oh, Star Trek. It's Spock. Mirror, mirror. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Do you like it? I like it.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, let's fold it up and then we'll find out what else we have in the box. The pin. That's a loot pin. What kind of pin does that say? No, don't open it.
Fine.
Get it up there. I think it's Alien versus Predator. Yeah. And this is a Mighty Wallet. Batman and Superman. Here, look that way. So what do you think about doing the video today? You have fun up in Poppi-House? Well, we like all the stuff we have in here. This crate was for March Versus Loot Crate. Yeah. You all done?
Like, so a song
Yeah.
and
We hope you liked the video.
Oh, just
You say bye-bye.
bye.
See you next time. Thank you for watching.